ingredient of Leo. It's not knowledge, it's not information. In this era, you can basically get a lot of knowledge from, AI tools and even from Google. But we created a team of mechanical engineers from top-tier world-class organizations and companies. We brought top-tier world-class AI researchers and developers and product people, and we put them in one room. And we focused on problems that real mechanical engineers are struggling with. And this is what we're doing 24/7 for years. And I think this is our special sauce. We are driven by solving real problems for fellow mechanical engineers, not by the profit line. We're doing a lot of unscalable stuff. For a lot of our customers, part of the team members, took the first flight and went to their offices in order to train them, in order to make them successful, in order to get the best out of Leo. This is the only way that we could scale so dramatically and exponentially during the last years. And this was our secret sauce, especially in the era of AI. Human intelligence and human service and human care, this is our secret sauce, if you will.